to wash me away. It's all that is taking me under. Swollen inside left me nothing to say. My voice drowned out in the thunder. But I won't cry, and no one starts to crumble. Whenever they try to shut me or cut me down, I won't be silenced. You can keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. 'Cause I breathe when they try to suffocate me. Don't you underestimate me, 'cause I know that I won't go speechless. Written in stone, every rule, every word. Censure is all and I'm bending. Stay on your place, better seen and not heard. But here is the